Hello all, welcome back. In previous video, you have seen how to install SQL Server 2019, how to install SQL Server Management Studio, and how to connect to SQL Server using SSMS application. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Microsoft SQL Server 2019 AdventureWorks database. This database is a sample database for you to practice and experiment couple of things. So to download, you have to go to the Google and search Microsoft SQL Server 2019 AdventureWorks database and download. Once you click on it, once you click on the search button, you can see the first link will take you to the Microsoft official web page where you can download the sample database. So clicking on this will take you to the sample databases store where you have to download the appropriate file. So scrolling down, you can see we have couple of databases available. Depending on your type of server, the version you have installed like 2025, 2022, 2019, 2017, 16, and so on, you have to choose the OLTP or data warehouse or lightweight data. So clicking on any of the link, it will start downloading that database. So once the database is downloaded, you can restore it on the SQL server, and then you can start using the sample database without even executing a single line of code. I have downloaded all three versions: AdventureWorks 2019, AdventureWorks DW 2019, AdventureWorks LT 2019 database. These three databases I have copied to this location. Once it is done, launch Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So I'll go to run and type SSMS, click on OK. And once the Microsoft Management Studio starts, you can connect to the server using the authenticated credentials. And after that, we have to attach or restore the database. So you can see we have the database name selected. In the last video, I have shown you how to save username and password. I'm just going to connect. So you can follow the previous videos as well if you have any doubt. Now I have to right click on the databases, then click on restore databases. Once you click on restore database, the recovery or restore, backup and restore SQL Server window will appear like this. There you have to select what you want to restore or from where you want to restore, from the database or from the device. So that is stored on our computer. So we will select device, click on the three dots, click on add, and remember to select the location. So expand C drive, expand program files folder, expand Microsoft SQL Server by clicking on plus sign, expand MSSQL 15.MSSQL Server, expand MSSQL folder, and then click on backup. Once you see the backup, select one of the database. I'm selecting AdventureWorks 2019.bat file. Click on OK and click on OK again. Once it is done, this is how it would look like. The device is the location where we have stored our database. Database name is AdventureWorks 2019. You can change the name as well, and where it would be stored. So once the information has been populated, you just have to click on OK. So database would be restored from the backup. You can see the database AdventureWorks 2019 restored successfully. Click on OK and let verify. So click on new query. We have to select the database. So there are two possibilities. Use the query. You can type use, then you can type AdventureWorks 2019, the database name, and select execute. Once you execute, you can see here the database name is visible, meaning our database is being selected. The other way is click on the available databases drop-down list and select the database on which you want to work. So right now I'm on AdventureWorks 2019. If I want to work on master database, I will click here and it would be selecting the master database. You can switch back again by executing use and followed by the name of the database. So this video was about how to connect to the database, how to restore the database, and then how to select that database to work with. In coming videos, we will learn more other concepts of database. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.